DC voltmeter, or we can say how to convert D Arsenal moment into the DC moment. Actually, the DC voltmeter is also work on the principle of PMMC D Arsenal moment. Here it is the circuit diagram for DC voltmeter. In a previous video we have seen that we have seen the video of DC ammeter. In the DC ammeter, the resistor are connected in parallel with the meter, but here instead of parallel resistor we connect here the resistor in series with the meter. Okay, so that this basic DC ammeter can be converted into DC voltmeter by adding a series resistance. The series resistance is called as multiplier. It's called as multiplier. Here this resistance, that is series resistance, it does not allow the current to exceed the value of full scale deflection current. The series resistance is denoted as RS. The DC voltage is used to measure the voltage between the 2 points in the DC circuit. To measure the DC voltage, the voltmeter connected to this point with a proper polarity. As shown in the figure, V in is a input voltage. So if we write the equation, V in is equals to series resistance and internal resistance of the coil. The both are in series with each other, and current IFSD, that is full scale deflection current, is flowing through this coil. So that IFSD equals to RS plus RM, because both resistance are series with each other and current I is flowing through it. So IFSD means full scale deflection current RS means series resistance, or we can say multiplier. RM, internal resistance of coil, V in is a input DC voltage. So the value of this multiplier is properly selected so that current does not exceed the value of IFSD. So from this equation we get RS plus RM is equals to V in upon IFSD. That means multiplier, that is series resistance, is equals to V in upon IFSD minus RM. So from this equation gives the value of series resistance or multiplier. Now the multi-range voltmeter. If we extend the measuring range of the meter so that the basic voltmeter is converted into multi-range voltmeter. As its name indicates, the multi-range voltmeter give the different voltage ranges. See, this is the circuit diagram for multi-range voltmeter. Here the different resistance are connected in parallel with each other. In multi-range voltmeter, this multiplier may be connected in shunt or in series also, but in this circuit diagram these are connected in shunt. So RS1, RS2, RS3, RS4 are 4 series multiplier. They are connected in shunt. To select the proper multiplier, the 4-way switch is used. This is a switch. It can be used to select the proper multiplier. It is a switch as. So the equation for series resistance can be written as RS1 is equals to V1 upon IFSD minus RM. RS2 is equals to V2 upon IFSD minus RM and so on. Here RS means series resistance, IFSD means full scale deflection current, RM means internal resistance of coil, and V1 means voltage. So this is the multi-range voltmeter. It is an extension of measuring range of the meter.